Now, the Philippine government, in the person of Menardo Guevara, the Solicitor General, who was formerly the Justice Secretary of Duterte, and even more importantly, the current Justice Secretary, Remulla, have essentially confirmed that the Philippines will not stand in the way of ICC if it issues warrants of arrest or anything along those lines in tandem with Interpol. So effective ang sinasabi nila dito is, pag-issue kayo ng warrant of arrest at pumasok ang Interpol, wala kami magagawa, we have to abide by, and this is a very important thing that Remulla mentioned, we have to abide by our international obligations. Alright? So tanggap ng Philippine government na they cannot not cooperate, because not cooperating will have massive